I want to know kung ang metallics ng set na to will have the same effect as well as yung fluorescent colors na rin. Okay, tapos na tayo mag-swatch and hintay na lang natin siyang matuyo. So, what I have noticed is that yung first two metallic colors, which are yung silver and light gold, translucent sila, which means may pagka-transparent siya. So, the color under it shows up. So, lumalabas yung itim na kulay na nasa ilalim. Pero kapag tinamaan naman siya ng light, grabe yung pag-shine niya. So, the other two metallics naman, which are the deep gold and copper, yun naman are opaques, meaning solid yung kulay nila. So, kung makikita nyo, litaw na litaw sila over the black color, and dun sa white side, kitang-kita pa rin siya. Since merong opaque and translucent yung set na to,